Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will share with you a detailed guide on how to download Google Camera on your phone, its installation process, best Gcam and what is Camera 2 API. Let's start with the latest methods. Okay, first of all let's talk about how to download Google Camera on your phone. See, here is the latest Google Camera installed on my device, which is 8.8 version. You can see 8.8 is installed on my device, which is from BSG developer. And first of all, to download the Google Camera on your phone, just open Google Chrome browser and open the website gcamapk.io on your phone, and here you can see the latest Gcam APKs are available. You can click on it, and here is the download link of this BSG 8.8 version, and there are multiple versions available for your device. You can download 7.3 version, 7.4, 7.6, 8.1, and here are a lot of 8.1 version. 8.2 is also included, 8.4, 8.8, 8.7. So lot of versions are available on this website. You can download any one from the links available on this website. Just click on it, and also make sure to join our Telegram channel, and this is the link of that Telegram channel where we are sharing every Google Camera on our device, for your device basically. As you can see, there are lot of Google Camera available and you can directly install from here, and you can also save the files on your phone. There are different versions available for your device. Now let us talk about the installation process of installing Google Camera. Just make sure to uninstall every camera installed on your phone, like BSG mods or any other mod. If you have installed on your device, just uninstall all the mods and just go to your file manager, click on the downloaded APK. Like I have Gcam 8.8 version, which is approximately of the 567 MB, and you can use your default file manager. Like you can see, here is the me file manager for my device, and just click on it and disable internet so it can't connect with the security app, and just click on install button, and here you can see installation is started, and it will take some time, and just you can use your Google Camera. And here is the Google Camera properly installed on my device, and this is the best method to install any Google Camera on any Android phone. Now the question arises, what is the best Google Camera for my device? See, there are a lot of Google Camera available on the internet, like Nikita Gcam, Pitbull, and C Stark 27, Nonfire, Urinix, Vicharia, Parrot, and BSG. Also Arnova is very good Gcam port, and you can use any Google Camera. First of all, let me explain. Every Google Camera is best in all its features and compatibility, so you can use any camera for your daily driver. Just make sure to find some best Google Camera configs for your device and load them with the best settings. Then you are good to go, and you can click extraordinary pictures from the Google Camera itself. And Google Camera, this version 8.8 or any camera, is already ported from the latest Pixel phones Google Camera, which is the latest version of Google Camera for Pixel devices, and these cameras are ported from directly from the Pixel 7 Pro. Like this one is ported from Pixel 7 Pro device, and this is 8.8 version, and a lot of new updates are coming for this version, but this camera is still in beta phase, so you may face some bugs in this camera. So I will prefer its previous version, which is 8.7, which is already stable by a lot of developers. You can try them and you can use them on your phone. So every camera is best. Just load the configs and you are good to go. Now let's talk about camera compatibility or Camera 2 API, which is very useful thing before installing any camera on any Android phone. See, there are a lot of smartphones that are coming with the enabled Camera 2 API by default from the manufacturer, but the old phones like Redmi Note 3 device or any other device which is very old, like you can see 4 to 5 year old phone, that phone doesn't have camera compatibility enabled by default. So you have to check that out. You can see here is the app. You can download it from Play Store. This is manual camera compatibility app, and you can see all the things are green ticked, or you can see these are already active on my device. This is the test results for my device on manual camera compatibility app, and all the ticks are green. This means I can install any Google Camera available on the internet internet found my device, and you can see your device supports all the manual settings. This is the most important part for installing Google Camera on your device. Just download this app from the Play Store. This is the manual camera compatibility app, and you can download it. It's around 1 to 2 MB, and you can download it, open the app and click on start button. It will show you everything for your device. So these are some important and basic things for installing Google Camera on different devices. So if you find this video helpful, please like this and share it with your friends.